Bitcoin tagged $93,000 today, but the real story, meme coins, which are just putting in absurd, mind-blowing gains. Coinbase listing some of the top memes in the Solana and Ethereum ecosystems. We're talking about that. Other news stories. Let's go ahead and dive straight into it. Take a look at the price of Bitcoin and he's just chilling. Just chilling, man. Look at that. Just right up there, hanging out at 90K like it ain't no thing but a chicken wing, man. Bitcoin. Imagine that. 2 weeks ago, people would have said, oh, Bitcoin going to $90,000. No, there it is. What have we been saying all damn year? Well, here it is. Anyway, fantastic to see. Now, of course, we just need to keep grinding a little bit higher. We got up to 93K and a little bit of change yesterday, which is obviously a fantastic move. $93,500, something like that. Beautiful. It's crazy to think that at $93,000 yesterday, we were only $7,000 away from $100,000 Bitcoin. I swear, there's still people in the comment section, we're never going to get to $100,000 Bitcoin. Like, what are you guys smoking, man? I don't even know. Like, we're going to $100,000 Bitcoin. $200,000 Bitcoin, I still believe is a very logical cycle target for Bitcoin. Don't try to get wedded to those big numbers. We get to like 197, maybe up to 250. But that's probably it in my mind, and we've made videos. We'll continue to make videos laying out the thesis for that. What becomes dangerous is people start thinking like, we're going to go to $1 million this cycle because this, that, and the other thing, which end up not happening or happen but aren't as important as you think they are at the time, and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, great charter from CryptoCon. Time to break this gem back out. He says, what's next for Bitcoin after new all-time highs? $118,928. Boom. Great price target, by the way. That's according to the Pi Cycle Top 350-day moving average. So this moving average is usually hit in December or January of the red year, which, of course, just around the corner. 3 tests from the mid-top at the Gaussian support went perfectly. Don't feel guilty for these gains. We've earned them after 7 months of sideways price action. Now, 6 weeks till the end of the year. January could see these kind of highs. I mean, look, $120,000, $118,920, okay, $920,000, $118,000. Okay, so let's think about that. That's not even that far away. I mean, realistically, what would you need the price to do to go that high? Really not that much. Here we go. Let's just chart that out there. You got to think like those numbers might sound crazy. Oh, I got 118. Okay. 118,808. We're close enough to that, to CryptoCon's target here, but that's only a 30.5% move for Bitcoin, which is not crazy, man. Not crazy. Okay. We saw $500 million of Bitcoin ETF inflows yesterday. A mighty day for, of course, Bitcoin inflows again. Fantastic. Love to see it, obviously. Even Ethereum getting a little bit of bid. $146 million inflows yesterday. In fact, we've seen a beautiful week this week for Ethereum ETF flows overall. $600 million. Fantastic. We're up to $250 million positive inflows for Ethereum ETF products. Excellent. More on Ethereum in a second. Cold-blooded Schiller. He said, wake the F up. BTC just broke out of 8 months of consolidation. 8 months. He said, I see people worrying about not having time to make it, worrying that we're close to some endpoint. We just broke out of 8 months consolidation literally not even 10 days ago. Wake up. And I totally agree with that sentiment, to be honest. People are already going like, oh, it's over. And look, I understand the Coinbase app has surged way faster than I'd like it to be honest. We'll talk about that in a second, but we're just starting. I know it seems crazy, especially if you guys are in profits right now. I might be feeling a bit like uncomfortable even. Like this is such a short phase relatively of the market cycle. You don't really know how to be here sometimes, but it's happening. We're going to see big markups across the board for a lot of stuff. Bitcoin goes to, 150, 200, 250K, whatever it's going to go to. Altcoins are going to go absolutely bonkers during that time. We only broke out 10 days ago, guys. Only 10 days ago. The market cycle is not over after 10 days. The breakout is not over after 10 days. Okay, the vast majority of altcoins that will go on to new all-time highs. We're talking about, the big boy stuff. Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, right? This stuff's all going on to new highs. They're not there yet. Dogecoin's going to a new high. It's not there yet. Like we're barely starting, okay? Hey, real quick. If you want to get a sweet $150 trading bonus, check this out. $150 for free back into your account. This is BitUnix. You can come over here and trade all the top coins. They got your Solana, they got your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, your dog with hat, your Popcat, okay? What other animals you want to trade, all right, obviously. Here's the thing, no KYC. So that means that you can come over here and enjoy a no KYC trading experience. Thus a lot more privacy, a lot more availability for people around the world to be able to use this exchange. So if you want to take advantage of this sweet deposit bonus, this is like a 75% rebate. And this is paid out the same day, by the way. You deposit $200, you get $150 later that day. So keep that in mind. Use the link down below, sign up to get the exclusive access to this sweet USDT back deal. Deposit your $200. Get your $150 USDT back. Enjoy your trading. It's that simple. Okay? Link down below. Thank you very much. By the way, it's a limited time offer. It ends on the 23rd, so take advantage of it while you can. Stack Hodler says, holy smoke, strong rumors that Howard Lutnick will be the next U.S. Treasury Secretary. Now, we talked about the other guy, Besant, who may be the U.S. Treasury Secretary, but not clear yet who it's going to be. But if it's Howard Lutnick, this dude is like a mega Bitcoin bull, dude. I mean, oh my gosh. If it's Howard Lutnick, oh man, no one's bullish enough, especially with a pro-crypto SEC head coming. JD Vance owns Bitcoin, Trump owns, everybody's got Bitcoin in the new administration, man. They're going to put frickin' Howard Lutnick in charge of the U.S. Treasury? Holy crap. This dude's like orange pilled to the max. Like, if this guy's in charge of the Treasury, like, watch the heck out, man. Holy cow. Hashkey Group CEO suggests Trump's pro-crypto administration may actually push China to relax restrictions on Bitcoin and digital assets. Of course it will. Of course it will. There's actually a lot of rumors running around right now, a lot of rumors, and they're nothing substantiated at this point. But there's a lot of rumors floating around social circles right now that there is a nation state which is currently front-running America, that they believe that America is going to implement a Bitcoin strategic reserve, and that they need to buy as much Bitcoin as they can before the USA does that. Now, a lot of people think it might be the Saudis, it might be the Qataris. The Qataris have been rumored to be buying Bitcoin for a long time, but the Saudis, there's been no confirmation of that. But if it is the Saudis, obviously they got the money. It'd be big. It'd be really, really big if this ends up, if we see a broader relaxing of regulations and restrictions in places like China. I doubt they're the ones buying right now. Maybe it's Switzerland, maybe it's not Saudi, maybe it's Switzerland or someone like that buying, but everyone's going to start going after it. This is the big global game theory for Bitcoin going in play right now, and it's going to be absolutely bonkers nuts. Jason Yan was saying that was fast. Coinbase is now the #1 finance app and number 13 in the entire app store, and that actually makes me uncomfortable. I don't love that. I feel like it's gone way too fast. I hope this is just like old people from like 22, 23, kind of like they stopped paying attention to crypto. They deleted their Coinbase app. They're hopping back in. That's too fast, man. Coinbase surging this fast is usually a bit of a local top signal. We've also seen Google search trends going absolutely nuts for Bitcoin, which also tends to be a local top signal. So I don't know. I'm not too concerned about local top signals. I'm ready to ride the cycle for the next, 6 to 12 months, whatever it's going to be. We're just getting started. So if it is a temporary situation, if we got too much attention too fast, fantastic. Or maybe just early breakout stuff. Everybody goes, the sort of people who have paid attention before, they download the Coinbase app, they start aping into meme coins, they buy Pepe, they buy Dog with Hat, they buy some Bitcoin, they buy some Solana, and that's it. And it's not actually the crazy retail wave of new entrants. It's just old entrants paying attention again. I don't know. And it does make me a bit uncomfortable to move so fast. I don't like that because that's one of our top indicators usually. And I don't like it. Okay. Anyway, Ethereum, of course, has had a nice rally in the last week. Current weekly candle not looking super hot. If we close the weekly candle like that, expect a retest of $2,800. Okay, so just FYI. But we do have those positive Ethereum ETF inflows. Okay. Plus we have, I'm going to skip ahead one slide here. Matt Hugan saying ETH ETF flows are going to surprise people in 2025. There's growing institutional demand for ETH exposure. Okay. There will be. Of course, institutions are going to want to buy Ethereum, man. They just don't want to buy it in June and July when markets were tanking and shit. When markets are hot, they're going to want to buy it, especially when we get a new SEC head that's going to allow for staking exposure for Ethereum. ETF products. It'll make it a very attractive investment for Wall Street. Tim here is saying, everyone's so excited about Bitcoin. Mark my words, as someone who made his Bitcoins with trading shit coins, I'm excited about one thing in the coming weeks, and that is altcoins. It's true. It's true. Altcoins, memes in particular, but altcoins, man, that's where the big money is going to be made. It's always the case, okay? I mean, now at $90,000, Bitcoin, in my mind's got maximum 200% upside left for the cycle, which is insane. But that's probably maximum, right? I'm not even sure we go that high. Whereas meme coins, they'll pump 200% in 5 minutes, man. ALO saying something like this is the total 3. So this is back in 2020 when we saw the initial breakout happen, and just look, it just goes absolutely bonkers, doesn't it? Gargantuan amounts of money are made right here, and a similar thing is probably about to happen right here. If altcoins go from the 750 billion now up to 2 or even 3 trillion, everyone's going to make so much money, except the top buyers, because there's always top buyers, but that's not you right now, because you're here before that happens. Ayla also saying Coinbase about to list all the top memes one after another. It's like 2017 in reverse, where Binance listed everything people wanted to trade, but Coinbase didn't. Coinbase reading the room this time. Good job, Brian. So they've added Pepe and a dog with hat. There's a lot of speculation we might see something like Brett get listed soon. Oh, can you list my Benji bags? That'd be amazing. By the way, if everyone wants to see what cryptocurrencies I hold, you can find that out down below in the YouTube description. Current portfolio holdings, OTC deals, venture round investments, all that kind of stuff. Plus a risk statement, because investing in crypto is risky, particularly meme coins. You can lose all your money in a very short amount of time. Past performance does not equate to future performance. Don't be silly, okay? Don't be silly. Anyway, this is pretty good. We're seeing massive pumps on these Coinbase and Binance listings. The Binance listings have literally been sending coins up 1,000% when they get listed. It's been absolutely bonkers. The Coinbase listings had a huge impact as well. We saw Pepe go up like 100%, dog with hat 80, 90%, something like that. Just really big moves here. Avocado Toast saying Coinbase looking like it might be getting the message to list more memes. That's in response to this. Brian Armstrong talking about Truth Terminal here, which is the GOAT cryptocurrency. The GOAT, that's the AI meme coin. Geyer Capital saying, my goodness, Peanut the Squirrel coin hit a $2.35 billion market cap today. What is going on? This is and the squirrel meta, man. I mean, how fast did the metas change? We had a hippo meta like 3 weeks ago, and then we had the AI meme coin meta, and now we have the dead squirrel meta. It's absolutely bonkers, man. What is going on in this crazy marketplace? Anyway, look at the gains in the last week for top meme coins. Doge 100%, Pepe 100%, Bonk, Dog with Hat 70, 80% respectively, Peanut 1,500%. Like, we're talking crazy stuff here, guys. So don't fade meme coins, as we keep saying it. I've been screaming from the top of our lungs for the last year. Don't fade meme coins. If anything, I should have put more money into meme coins, right? I've had meme coin exposure for a while, but I should have just gone even deeper down the meme coin rabbit hole. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Oh, go sign up to the newsletter. Go sign up to the newsletter. It's awesome. We love it. 145,000 people a week read this bad boy. It's free. Link down below in the description. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.